Ethereum is a blockchain platform where programs can run exactly as they're written. Imagine a glowing workshop where rules come alive and follow themselves. Let's understand how this works. Welcome to Blockshape. I'm Elliot, your guide through the world of finance and blockchain. Think about shaking hands on a deal with a friend. In everyday life, promises can be broken, paperwork can get lost, or someone may back out. Now picture if the agreement itself could automatically carry out the deal without relying on either person's memory or honesty. Wouldn't that reshape how trust works between people? Imagine Ethereum as a magic workshop. Inside, inventors build enchanted machines. One machine only releases coins when the right key is placed inside. Another lights up when two people both press a button. Each tool runs on its own, following the exact rules written into it. The workshop never sleeps, and no one can secretly sneak in and change how the tools behave. In simple words, Ethereum is more than digital money. It's a programmable blockchain. While Bitcoin only lets people send and receive coins, Ethereum goes further. It lets anyone write smart contracts. These are small computer programs that live on the blockchain and act like agreements set in stone. Once started, they carry out their instructions automatically, whether it's moving money, recording information, or verifying ownership. The Ethereum network is the global collection of computers, code, and people working together to keep those contracts running. So, why does this matter? Because so many parts of our lives depend on trust and paperwork. An artist can sell digital art that proves its originality and automatically pays them each time it's resold. A landlord can rent out a property where the digital lock only opens if rent is paid on time. Companies can trade with one another across borders without needing banks or lawyers for every small step. Ethereum makes these exchanges faster, fairer, and less vulnerable to manipulation because the rules are enforced by the system itself. Now you understand what is Ethereum. Here are the key terms to remember. Ethereum, a blockchain where people can program rules and applications. Smart contract, a coded agreement that enforces itself once conditions are met. Blockchain, the permanent shared record where contracts and transactions live. Network, the worldwide group of computers and people keeping Ethereum secure. And ownership, a proof written into the blockchain that shows who controls a digital asset. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.